Hi, welcome to 𝑣𝑎𝑙𝑢𝑒. Let's solve some more problems. So the problems are listed here. Let's go one by one. Yeah, the first one. What is the unit digit of the expression given there? Okay. So you look at carefully. It's a very complicated expression. Looks like, but you look at the numerator of the second term. Okay. So if you look at that, for above equation to have real values, absolute a minus 3 and 3 minus absolute a cannot be negative. Correct? If one of them is negative, then you have an imaginary solution. Okay, that's not the answer. We need the unit digit of real value. Okay, so that means a can be only plus or minus 3. Any other value, you will get a negative in one of them. Okay, either this or this, you will get a negative value. So we have one level, a equal to plus or minus 3. Now look at the denominator, 3 minus a. Okay, if a equal to 3, then this denominator will become 0, which means this fraction is undefined. Then whole expression will be undefined. So a cannot be 3. So a is only minus 3. That's the only option. Right? Now you substitute that. The second term is anyway 0. So the first term is minus 2 into minus 3 by 4 minus 3 whole to the power of 1947, which is nothing but 6 to the power of 1947. So we know the 6 multiples, the 6 to the power always have 6 in the units digit. So the answer is 6. Next. Okay. There is a fraction given here. It's an interesting fraction, and these kind of problems can come uh, to many extent. Here I just used the 3 variables ABC. It can go up to 10 variables also. Okay. So 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to 13 by 30. What is the value of a plus b plus c? Basically, you find out ABC value and then evaluate the expression, whatever you asked. Okay. So general method is basically you take the 13 by 30, that is LHS, and rewrite in the form of LHS. Okay. Sorry, you take the RHS 13 by 30 and rewrite in the form of LHS. Okay. So 13 by 30, I will write it as 1 by 30 by 13, which is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 4 by 13. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 13 by 4, then which is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So if you see the above and map, then you will get a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 4. So answer is 9. This is one method. There is another method, whichever you think is easier, you can follow. The second method I prefer because you don't go wrong easily. Here, if it is going to 10 variable expression, you might go wrong in forming the fraction, but here you don't go wrong. Okay, so it's like this. Then you take the RHS, that is 13 by 30, and do a long division as below. Okay, 30 divided by 13, 2 times 26, 4 you get remainder. So 4 you divide 13. With 4 you divide 13. Okay, then you get 3, 12, 1. 1 you divide 4 here. Okay, 4. Until you get 0, you continue this. You will get whatever number of variables here, you will get so many quotients here. You just apply in the same order. Okay, 2 is A, 3 is B, 4 is C. So answer is A plus B plus C, which is equal to 9. Okay, the second one is next one is, what is the integer value of n in the range of 1 comma 2014 inclusive, for which 8n by 9999 minus n is an integer. Okay, so one solution here I am listing. Okay, let 8n by 9999 minus n equal to k. Then you evaluate, simple evaluation, you will get n equal to 9999k by 8 plus k. Okay. Now it is given that n is less than or equal to 2014. So that means this expression is less than or equal to 2014. Now you again simplify this. Okay. You will get k value is less than or equal to 2014 into 8 by 7985, which is less than or equal to 2.01 approximately. Since k is integer, why k is an integer? Because we are looking at integer division right here. So integer value of m in the range of this one, so that the expression is integer. So for that expression to be integer, k should be an integer, right? So k can be only 1 or 2. So you submit, take k equal to 1, then n will be 1111, okay? And k equal to 2, you don't get a integer solution. So k equal to 1111. Okay, this is one way. Yeah. Second method is you start from this expression here, n equal to 9999k divided by 8 plus k. You start from here, do it slightly different. Whichever is easy you think you can follow. Okay. Here 8 plus k should divide 9999k. Why? Because k is less than 8 plus k, so k cannot divide it. I mean 8 plus k cannot divide k because k is less than that, right? So 8 plus k should divide this whole numerator, okay? Which means 9999 has three factors: 9 into 11 into 101, okay? Or multiples of them. Basically, you can take 99, all those, okay? So 8 plus k equal to 9 or 11 or 101 or their multiples like 18, 22, 202, and it goes on. So k will be, you just simply take 8 to the other side and subtract, you will get 1 or 3 or 93 or 10 or 14, 194, and dash dash dash. So many values you will get. Now you simply check with values of k for given that n is less than or equal to 2014. Okay, first check with k equal to 1. We know the value is 1111, which is a valid solution. For k equal to 3, we get 2727, okay, which is already out of range, which is bigger than 2014. Okay, and this 3 is second least value in this series, right? So any other value you take, obviously you'll get a bigger values. So there is only one solution possible, that is n equal to 1111. Okay, next. Factorize x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube. Okay, so I choose this question just to teach one formula, which is very important. So let's do that. Let's assume that a plus b plus c equal to 0. Cubing on both sides, I get a plus b plus c whole cube equal to the expression given here, and then which is equal to 0. I rearrange them, and then this is what I get: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc plus a plus b plus c into 3ab into 3ac into 3bc equal to 0. Okay. So now given that a plus b plus c equal to 0, right? So this term will become 0. And then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be is equal to 3abc. Okay. Now why we are learning this formula? Okay, it's simple. Let's check the given problem. Okay. Now you map it: a equal to x minus y, b equal to y minus z, c equal to z minus x. A plus b plus c is 0, right? That means you can actually do a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, right? So that means the solution is 3 into x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. That's the factorization, right? Just to remember this formula, because you can use it in many ways in the polynomial. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is also one of the form. Okay, so obviously if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will become 3abc. We know it, right? And the other way of saying it is, given this expression, if a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, which means LHS side is 0. Okay, that means one of these will be 0. So either a plus b plus c equal to 0 or a equal to b equal to c. So this is also one of the solutions. Okay, so remember this. Thank you. We'll come up with more problems, uh, and try to arrange the problems in a way that we cover many things actually. And as you observe, we are slowly moving from remainder uh, and number 3 into polynomials. So let's do more polynomial problems going ahead. Thank you.